Hello guys, this is ePluto 7G electric scooter manufactured by Pure EV, designed by IIT Hyderabad. Its company is in Hyderabad and it's an Hyderabad company. It climbs a height of 12 degrees. It has a one bad thing, which is central stand very less height from ground. So this is the key and this is the remote. The middle button is to start the electric scooter and both the sides of the middle button is lock button and unlock button. This is ePluto 7G logo. This is central stand. This is front tire. Front brake is disc brake. It's made of aluminum. This is the back view of electric scooter. This is foot stand and this is back tire and hub motor. Back brake is drum brake. Motor is hub motor. This is side stand. This is footrest area. There is a lot of space. And this is the seat. This is brakes and handle. We are using this scooter. If you have any doubts about this scooter, please comment us. Here you will get green number plate. For electric scooters, you will get green number plate. These are side lights, and this is pure EV logo. This is headlight. These are two mirrors. This is front storage space. As you are able to see, there is only less space. Not able to fit even only two papers. And now we can start the scooty. Yeah, you can see parking mode and how much kilometers we have traveled and battery. You can see P button. By pressing the P button you will start the scooty. And these are the three modes: first mode, second mode, third mode. This is the horn, both horns. There are two horns. This is the indicator. One is right indicator, other one is left indicator. And that is red. We can even lock our scooty by remote. Once we press lock button, it gets locked. If anyone touches or moves the scooty, it will sound like alarm, as you can see. And one more thing, we can on our scooty with remote also, as I told you, by pressing the middle button twice. You can see P button there. We can off by pressing lock button. It can handle a weight of 180 kgs. The battery has 6 points. Each point gives 20 kilometers in single ride. One full charge gives 120 kilometers single ride. The battery points goes down after every 15 to 20 kilometers. This is Pure EV logo. Charging the battery takes 3 to 4 hours. It depends upon the how much you use. This is the battery and that is the charger. For one full charging it consumes 3 to 4 units, which is very less. Charger consists of 60 volts. Here you can see the light. When charging it shows red and when charged it shows green. After keeping the battery you will get a small space in which helmet can be fitted. You need to off MCB while taking battery out and you need to on MCB after keeping the battery in. It is for the safety purpose. This is the battery and this is the MCB.
Da, da.